Welcome. In this video I will show you how to restart your HP ProBook 450 G2 laptop. So to restart your PC, you have basically two options. If you have access to all elements and your device isn't freezed, then you just have to open up a start menu, then click on the power options and select restart and wait for your device to restart. But if you can't access this menu, then you just have to press and hold the power button for a while. This will restart your device forcefully, so let's just hold it down for about 5 to 10 seconds until our device turns off. And once it has turned off, let's press this button once again to switch it on. And wait for it to boot up. And this basically makes it. We have successfully restarted our PC. As you can see, we are about to enter the lock screen. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.